Hi, kindergartners. Welcome to Story Time. Today we're going to read another Mo Willems book. Remember, he's the author and the illustrator of these books. And this is called The Duckling Gets a Cookie. Words and Pictures by Mo Willems. The Duckling Gets a Cookie. I do not like that title. That's what he's saying, pigeons say. Hello. Scooty, scoot, scoot. May I have a cookie, please? Oh, thanks. Flappy flip flap. That was very nice of you. Oh, look at all those nuts. Hey, how did you get that cookie? I asked for it. You asked for it? Politely. Say, does that cookie have nuts? Yes. So, you got a cookie with nuts just by asking politely. I ask for things all the time. I ask to drive the bus. I ask for hot dog parties. I'll ask for a French fry robot every now and then. I'd ask for a walrus. Do I ask for candy? I do. It doesn't have to be a big bus, you know. Right now, I'm asking why? Why? There's more. Sometimes I ask for a hug. I ask to stay up late. I ask for one more story. I can't count the times I've asked for my own personal iceberg. Oh, yeah. I'm the askingest pigeon in town. But do I get what I ask for? No! It's not fair! Flappy, flip, flap. Ducklings get everything. Pigeons like cookies too, especially with nuts. Why did you get that cookie? So I could give it to you? And another thing! Hubba, what? You're giving me the cookie with nuts? That is so nice. Thank you. Thank you very much. Chomp. This is one cool duckling. Chomp. Yes, sir. Bye. May I have another cookie, please? But this time, no nuts. And that's the end. I hope you enjoyed this story from Mo Willems. Again, he is the author and illustrator. I'll see you next time on Storytime.